This is Glueless. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today is this Glueless Wig from MSCOCO. This is Glueless, okay? You don't even know that it's Glueless. This is Glueless. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. You know, if it is Glueless, we are in for it, okay? One thing I like about this hair, this is just pop on and you are good to go. This is what we want, okay? Look at her gorgeous. You see, it's 13 by 6. Came with some combs by the side, okay? Combs by the side, and they attached elastic band to it. This one is inbuilt elastic band, which is cool. It has an adjustable strap as well. Twist the hairline. This is the side I twist, and this is the other side. You see the difference between the two sides? So I'm going to twist this side also. Because of the twisting, some of the coils they lose, so I want to recoil it back. You see this one? I'll first of all apply got to be glue straight on it. Then I'll roll it. I'm using a tiny Babyliss. So I'm going to do this to all that loose. Guys, there are some goodies that came with the hair. They are here. So let me bring them out. Look at all these that came with it. They are a lot. Comb, airbrush, bonnet, hair clips, hairband, wig cap, and a pair of lashes. All these you're seeing, all these came with it. They are a lot. I spray airbrush legs on it because the wig, the lace was a little bit too white for my skin tone, so I had to spray this on it. So this is how it looks right now. So guys, this is it. See that the hair is white. It's the hairbrush legs that is white on it. So I just have to clean everything from it. These are the baby hairs I want to create. So guys, let's do this. Let me push it to the front. I always like when my wig comes to the front because my hair grew up to this place, so I must bring the wig to the front to cover my hair. So I'm going to do this section by section. start like this. Trim this. Because this wig is glueless. Wow, you see this? We don't need glue. Ooh. See how this is perfect. So perfect. I am baffled. Wow, that's one thing I like with all this glueless wig. You don't need to do much. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You see that? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is wow, wow, wow. It's really glueless. Let me cut from here. Guys, you can see this glueless. Look at it. Wow, glueless. Okay, the perfect glueless wig that you need. So I want to bring out little baby hair here. Should I bring out baby hair? I don't think it's necessary. I don't think baby hair is necessary. I'm going to coil this one. I'll take my bronzer, dab it in front of my hair. This is to blend the lace. Make it shine. This smells so well. This is glueless, guys, glueless. Wow, that is it for this hair tutorial. This is so gorgeous. Wow, this is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out.